What's going on, my atomic cycle work friends? So check this out. We just finished up this really cool bagger here, and the customer actually wanted a comfortable seat. So we took the stock Harley seat that he really liked and modified it to fit the stretch tanks. These sometimes are a challenge because the stretch tank covers sit on top of the tank, and it's only about an 1/8 to a 1/16 of an inch gap. So you really want to have this seat kind of fold into there. In order to have a seat pan plus foam plus a material, it's really hard to get it down to that 1/16 of an inch. So we kind of molded it around the tank and actually conformed the plastic seat fan to fit really well. And then we went with a custom heavier blue stitch on it, which I think really pops with the bike. It's almost like electric. It's a really vibrant color. And the original custom seat that he had on here had the imitation alligator, and he really liked that. So he wanted to keep that same style. And originally he wanted to keep his backrest because it had the gator in it, because we were doing this and adding the blue stitch and a kind of nicer gray, or way nicer gray material. We ended up going and changing the backrest to match the seat. And I think it's a really good fit, and hopefully he likes it, and hopefully you like it. Have a good one, man. Appreciate it. Thanks, man. Have a good one.